People talk monetization. Monetization. Everybody is angry. There's so much unemployment. We tend to know people. Today you get to some position and then you manage to get some money. When it comes to vote, you want to come and give me money. Oh, go and vote for me. Well, because I'm angry, I may take. But in my mind's eye, this guy I used to know, we used to share Kokwaya Atutu or something together. Now he is coming to buy me to go there so he would continue to enjoy, and me, I won't even have access to him. So they'll chop your money, then they go and vote against you. Then you turn around to blame them. You must blame yourselves. When it happens like that, we must blame ourselves. Because the people, as poor as they are, they want quality service. Our principles are there, high principles. High principles. And I believe when we are talking party, we must know it's the principles we subscribe to, not the person who just on a temporary basis has been given the vote. Yes, Dankwa espoused democracy, but the party is not Dankwa. Buzia did, the party is not Buzia. Kuffour got the chance. Kuffour is not the party, not a Kuffour, not any one man. It's the principles, the undying principles. And if we will all be true to the principles, then I tell you, our party is the party of now and the future. Ghana will continue to support us, but we must be true to the principles.
Video ya mushe former president abusia John Agyapong Kuffour ono ena wode ensem atodwa wabra na chese launching of NPP abusia omo education bia omo launch say omo chemu they are about to educate their members on how they should go about the politics and do a lot of things for the party and for the country as well. Now he said something in this video. That is the reason why I'm making this video. He's saying, the debate that is going on between the party that either Bawumia should be the flag bearer or Agyapong should be the flag bearer. And he's saying that Ghanaians are not going to vote for the New Patriotic Party because of one person. There be that is not going to happen. It be crazy and it will never happen. The reason why he's saying this is that Abushia or say Ghana hana ye wono. Ghana ni bia nkotwa bamfa ma NPP so momra media mine so because of people ba konti. Se bia megena kene Agyapong nso nkwanti na Ghana fu nyina kotwa ba se nyina epegere kene Agyapong asem na kotwa ba ma kene Agyapong se only the NPP no meje mampani for ma mine no. Ebinsi. Na mum eye for the vision of the party any the nkofo be hu no party dem say oh NPP party de omo for nipa ho omo tie nipa no kasa said na the previous government or na was na busia na nyoma bia Ghana for kasa no omo tie no eno ekra kan enam so do lose election, but people are not going to vote for a single person in the party. Say bia yemfa so masimra no na Ghana for bia amadwese we papa na say Ghana for be pen asem da bi, but Ghanaians are going to vote based on maybe the vision and the mission and the the moral values of the party. What the party is being known of, and Ghana for Bejina so they are voting the New Patriotic Party to come into power. So you shouldn't put in mind if you are an NPP member, now we are just say Agyapong ba yen rene dabi, Bawumia ba yen rene, ne mum yonkofa alankashemra and I yonkofa ebi asumesimra, bibisa and eba. That is not how vote is being done. And I say Ghanaians are going to vote for the New Patriotic Party. Ne mum vision ya party ni wo. Kwa be so na Ghana for sinim NPP fa. Omoba mutie oman no timamufo na sema na omoba omuhunu se bia Ghana for ye enkofo bia tese okan ya ne afa na we ensema for the former president abushia His Excellency John Agyapong Kuffour editu dwa wabra no omolanche se de medika chair no omo training institute bia tese they are about to educate their members on how to do politics and do a lot of things for the party and for the country. Comment section. I say hi, Kama Studios, and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and your youngest content creator in your country. If you haven't followed us for more updates and updates.